Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Merry Christmas and a happy holiday to you if you're into that kind of thing. I just want to say thank you again so much for just being amazing parts of my life. Not only my Solana community, but everyone else obviously that is part of our Discord, Telegram, Twitter, everyone. Just thank you very much for just making my life a better place. I deeply appreciate having you around, and obviously, thank you so much for that. So what we're gonna do is just quick update here for Solana. We broke that descending trend, which is fantastic. We'll talk about that. Look at some backend data too, and what's great is we invalidated that Elliott wave. Okay. In other words, we saw an ABC pattern forming and it didn't officially complete. So this is great news. We had to draw out some new fibs. We'll look at that in a minute. But let's quickly check some of the liquidation data here and kind of see what's going on. Oh, shame on these shorts. 118 just got demolished. That is the most recent high effectively utilized as basically going to be new low. So simply put, we take a look here, kind of zoom in a little bit. We can see tons of liquidation at 118, a little bit more at 120. Again, 124. It's almost humorous how much people are trying to short this coin. Take a look here as well. We got some longs, heavy concentrations longs at 105, 106, and 107. Okay, so the 105 to 107 range, keep in mind, that could be the next target. You gotta understand, it can't go up forever, but that is definitely a positive sign for us. Okay, so again, really good stuff here. So again, the previous Elliott wave pattern, if you kind of see here, I could probably pull it up on my Twitter here and just kind of show you. This is what it was looking like because the price action was forming an ABC pattern, and I mentioned that $100 would be a worst case scenario. Well, truth is the worst case scenario was somewhere in the range of like 110, and the price took off from there. Okay, so good news is that has been invalidated, and we got new potential pullback areas here as well, as long as this is the highest point. So again, I'll post this on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord so you understand what that might look like. Some key levels. It's pretty obvious at 118. The most recent resistance is going to be the new support level though. Okay, so we're just going to draw this out here a little further. Strong likelihood 118 is the new support. Okay, again, 0.382 fib level plus all this volume at 0.5, 0.618. I think there's a strong chance the price does pull back. 114 to 118 is going to hold pretty strong. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, let's quickly note a couple of things and just kind of wrap this up here for you. I want to talk about the MACD. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Never trade only one indicator, okay? Because again, it was an MACD, basically a MACD divergence forming, and I always mention this to you, until it actually diverges completely, you do not take that trade. Okay, so this is an MACD FU. That's what I like to call it. Basically just saying, just kidding, we're not going to go that way. We're just going to turn right around. Okay, so again, anyone who traded that specifically, again, make sure you're patient and wait for it to fully close before you do that. That said, if we took a look here at the the stochastic RSI, we are converging strong. Obviously, the price is coming up, and we're maintaining once again above 70 on the money flow index and the RSI. So those are all very positive contributing factors. Looking at the simple moving averages, really nothing to note here. All the same stuff. We're ascending quite strong here. In fact, let's go ahead and draw out a trend line here for the new little uptrend, just to kind of pay attention to that so we know specifically where we're at. Also, too, there is a level up here at roughly 137. That is a previous month close. That could be our new resistance if the price can travel up to the 136 range. That having said, quick look at TD sequential. We got a nice little reset. This is a perfect amount of consolidation before the next leg up. So there's a great chance we're going to see the price continue to run. Okay, so that's fantastic news. Hourly, let's quickly double check the Ichimoku cloud. And this is an awesome thing here. Let's go ahead and see roughly what we're looking at here. So what's awesome about that is we have every single confirmation that the price is going to continue to run. In other words, do not consider shorting this coin. I know you've heard me say that. I'm a broken record. I'm sorry, but that's just kind of the common narrative here. And again, for the last 4 hours, we've broken above the lagging span. Is free and clear of the price action now. Conversion lines above the baseline. We're well above the cloud. Look at that. The cloud is averaging itself out at the 112 to the 116 range. So the price doesn't end up pulling back once more. We've got these areas here to rely on. Okay, so again, all positive contributing factors. I even got the question yesterday too, like what was it in the comments? Somebody was asking about the cloud, and that the conversion line, baseline, all that stuff was invalidating a long position, but we're still above the cloud, and that's the most important. The answer is yes. That's absolutely correct. I believe I reaffirmed that as well in my Ichimoku cloud video. Go ahead and search that on my channel, of course. But generally speaking, yeah, the cloud is the most important. Not being inside of the cloud is the best thing. So with this kind of hanging out right there, that's perfect. The great thing about the cloud too is it's just a series of moving averages that kind of work with the price action, but they're oftentimes correlated with the ascending trends on larger time frames. So that's why I love using this as a confirming factor. So again, worst case scenario, I would say 114. Better case scenario, 118 if this price does pull back. And just know that I think 118 is going to provide a lot of support here for us. If we take a quick look at volume as the very last thing here, we can see in the most recent time frame, roughly the last 3 trading days or 2.5 trading days, 113 is a strong amount of volume support. Okay, so we got 4 levels of support here. Some pretty good stuff. 113 to 118 is a solid range there. Okay, so again, just some friendly consideration there on this coin. Absolutely taken off. Love to see it. So once more, thank you again so much for being an amazing part of my life. CryptoCash.tech, if you want to become a better trader again, we do have awesome signals and some really good profit. And just to quickly highlight this too, because we got some really good stuff here came through. KNC today, we took profit 25% in 1.5 trading days. Gala, 48% in 4 trading days. VeChain, 56% in 5 trading days. And of course, a nice old comp trade at 126 in 3 months. But yeah, QNT, we got some really nice older trades coming through. The graph, we popped off on that one yesterday too. So awesome stuff. Again, happy holidays to you folks. Merry Christmas again if that's what you celebrate. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks again for being amazing parts of my life. And we do look forward to seeing you next video. Have yourself a great rest of your day. Take care.